Then, as the lower section of Pangaea, what was previously Gondwana, began to tear itself apart, splitting Africa from South America, mountains were created around the divide, resulting in the mountains of eastern Brazil and western Africa. South Africa is actually where many of the world's oldest mountain ranges are today, with the oldest being the Makonjwa Mountains. Lastly, I want to talk about the Verskynaragene, which was another substantial mountain building event that led to the growth of the Alps and the Pyrenees in Europe and spread all the way out to the Ural Mountains of Russia and the Tian Shan Mountains of Central Asia, as well as many other mountain ranges sprawling all the way to the far coastal Primorye region, also in modern-day Russia. This places mountains roughly along these lines on our map of Pangaea, and with that, we've finished making the important mountain ranges at the time. After mountains, next I'd actually like to talk about the ocean. First, there was the Panthalassa Ocean, the ocean which encompassed most of the world, with its name literally translating into the All-Sea in Greek. And then we'd get the beginnings of the Tethys Ocean, if considered separate from the Panthalassa Ocean. And this body of water would have been around 60 million square kilometers, a bit smaller than the Indian Ocean today, but still much larger than the Arctic Ocean. What I'm interested in, however, isn't the size of these oceans, but how the ocean during this time would have influenced the climate and ecology of the land. I don't think anyone will be surprised to hear that the ocean can affect climate in multiple different ways. In terms of rainfall, lands directly beside the ocean will typically experience greater amounts of it, while the continental interiors, the lands furthest from the ocean, will become increasingly arid.